This is for Algebra 2. This is a review for your logarithmic function unit. Looking at number 1, if the log does not show a base, what base is being used? Base 10. Write 3 squared equal 9 in logarithmic form. This would be log base 3 of 9 equals 2. Number 3, write log of a equal b in exponential form. There is no base, and so that tells me that my base is 10 to the b power equals a. Number 4, rewrite log of a times b using logarithmic properties. Remember, multiplication becomes addition, so this is a log of a plus log of b. Rewrite log of a over b using the properties. Remember that a fraction becomes subtraction, so this one is log of a minus log of b. Number 6, rewrite using properties. Remember that when you have a power, it has to go to the front. This becomes 4 times log base 3 of a. And then number 7, rewrite using properties. The 3 at the front has to go over there and become an exponent. So this is log base 2 of a plus 5 to the third. Remember that a plus 5 to the third means a plus 5 times a plus 5 times a plus 5. So you would do FOIL on these two first, and you would get a squared plus 5a plus 5a plus 25. This right here would actually be plus 10a. That gets multiplied by a plus 5. So a times a squared is a to the third plus 10a squared plus 25a. Now everything times 5, so plus 5a squared plus 50a plus 125. So the answer here is actually log base 2 of a to the third plus 15a squared plus 75a plus 125. If you were to multiply that all the way out. Going to the back, number 8, solve. Remember, you're going to start by making it exponential. So this is x to the third is equal to 125. What to the third power is equal to 5? That would be 5. You could trial and error it. Okay, 5 at the end should be your hint. Subtraction becomes a fraction, so this is log base 3 of x over 5 is equal to 7. If you only have log on one side, you have to rewrite it in exponential. So 3 to the 7th is equal to x over 5. Take your calculator, and 3 rooftop 7 is 2187 is equal to x over 5. You can either put the 2187 over 1, cross multiply and divide, or just realize you're going to multiply 2187 times 5, and you get 10935. 10935. 10,935 is your answer. 8 to the x is equal to 432. You're going to put a log on both sides, and so this becomes log of 8 to the x is equal to log of 432. Move your x, and it becomes x times log of 8 is equal to log of 432. You're going to divide by log of 8, and so x is equal to, take your calculator, and log of 432. Get out from under your log, divided by log of 8 gives you 2.918. So 2.918 is your answer. Looking at number 11, you want to move this 1200, so we're going to divide by 1200, and you get 2.3 to the x is equal to 3. Add a log to both sides, so log of 2.3 to the x is equal to log of 3. Move the x to the front, x times log 2.3 is equal to log 3. Divide by log of 2.3. So you take your calculator and log of 3, get out from your log, divided by log of 2.3, and you get 1.319. X equals 1.319. You're going to start by knowing that addition becomes multiplication, so this is log base 2 of x plus 2 times 12 is equal to 6. So then you're going to need to distribute your 12. So log base 2 of 12x plus 24 is equal to 6. You only have a log on one side, so you've got to go to exponential. 2 to the 6th is equal to 12x plus 24. 2 to the 6th is 64 equals 12x plus 24. Subtract your 24 and you get 40 is equal to 12x. Divide by 12 and 3.33 equals x is your answer. Unit number 13. I would start by moving my 10. So 15 is equal to 5 times all that stuff to the x. I would divide by 5. So 3 is equal to 2.71828 to the x. So I would add log to both sides, and this becomes log of 3. When you add log, this x is going to go to the front, and it becomes x times log of 2.71828. Getting x by itself, so you're going to divide by log of 2.71828. So you're going to take your calculator, and you've got log of 3, get out from under your log, divided by log of 2.71828, and you get 1.099 equals x. 1.099 equals x is your answer there. I believe that was the end of the review. You're going to have an exam tomorrow. You have to be able to do all of that. Some of it would be with numbers and some of it would be with letters. So make sure you actually understand how the properties work. If you have any questions, come see me. Otherwise, work on anything you owe me so you don't have ICU.